Hey guys, what's up? Assalamu alaikum. This is kAiF from kAiF Vlog. Welcome to my channel. Right now I'm having a cup of tea with my favorite shortbread fingers. They are one of my favorite after Foxy biscuits. I already have quarter or half. My wife doesn't know, she's busy with the kid. So today I'm cooking today fish with the stir fried vegetables. Let's see how it goes. I hope it goes well. Like the video, share with your family and friends, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and stay safe and stay inside. Right now our Prime Minister Mr. Boris Johnson, he is in the hospital in a critical condition, so hope for the best. So I request all of you guys, please stay safe, stay inside the house, enjoy with your family. We are going to start cooking. First we're going to put how much, I think 100 ml. This is the calculation of mine. This will be little bit more. This way. I think the oil is hot enough and we can put the fish. There's 3 pieces of fish. This recipe we're gonna have black pepper, red paprika, coriander powder, salt and lemon juice, and a little bit soy sauce. Yeah, it's getting good, so we have to turn around. Sorry, I am a left-hander, so sometimes I use my right hand. I'm a left-hander. Now we are going to add this seasonal mixed vegetables, Oriental style. We're going to add 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of red chili, not a lot, and half salt, and a half of coriander powder, some lemon, and the soy sauce. Yep. So we're gonna mix it. Be careful. This fish is under the vegetables and I don't want them to break. So yeah, after 5 minutes we are mixing up and down so that it can be cooked. It's going very well, mashallah. Now we are going to add fish on top of it. And then we are going to leave it for another 5 minutes on low flame. Look nice. We'll see how does it taste. Let's try. Well done. This looks amazing, tasty. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye. See you in the next video.